Welcome to our exhibition about geodata. The idea for an exhibition all started when Ms. Scholz held a one-day workshop with us in our school. She works for a student company which observes the weather and creates maps based on these observations. In this workshop, we were shown a special website called ArcGIS and asked to create maps about forest fires all around California. In our art lesson with our teacher, Mr. Spasteak, we then came up with our own art project on all kinds of different themes. For example, American football, empires, Austrian lakes, and football teams. One group has even designed a short Kahoot, which we would like to present here. Good luck.
So in the last few weeks, we have researched about how many lakes are in a specific country. Please take out your devices and join our Kahoot.
Perhaps you got a few of the questions right. We hope you enjoy the 3B BRG St. Martin Gymnasium's art exhibition on ArcGIS, a new take.